Hello everyone, this is Shabnam here. Welcome back to my channel, The Counseling Corner. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I am going to speak about what are the benefits of waking up early in the morning, as well as give you a few tips which I have been following consistently and successfully waking up early in the morning and being more productive and stress-free. See, each and every one of us, we want to get up early in the morning, and as well as we are aware of what are the benefits while we get up early in the morning. And we also do so many things to wake up early in the morning. The previous night itself, we plan what are the things which you're going to do the next morning, as well as we set the alarm multiple times, right? Maybe if you want to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, we set an alarm at 5 sometimes, 5:15, 5:30, 5:45, and then 6. And each time the alarm rings, we snooze the alarm and go back to sleep. We keep procrastinating. Maybe after 10 minutes we'll wake up, after 15 minutes, after 20 minutes, and we end up waking after 1 hour, and then we start getting tension because we don't have enough time to do our morning routine. So if you are the person who is also finding this difficulty, then this video is for you. Please to watch the video till the end to get the maximum benefit, as well as in case you have any tips to share with us which you have adopted and you were able to wake up early in the morning, please to put it in the comment section so that it would be helpful for others also. So let's get started. So before moving on to the tips, let us see what are the benefits of waking up early in the morning. The first thing is that if you wake up early in the morning, throughout the day you would feel energetic and you would be productive, and you would also be stress-free. The second thing is that if there are some tasks, which are challenging tasks, which needs a lot of focus and concentration, you can complete that in the morning itself. So throughout the day, you would be relaxed. The third point is that you will have enough time to focus on those activities which will enhance your physical and emotional health, like meditation and exercise. The fourth thing is that you can do your tasks, early morning tasks like preparing breakfast for the children, getting your children ready to school in a very relaxed manner instead of getting tensed. See, as per the research, it shows the timings between 4 to 6 a.m. in the morning is the best time where you can focus and concentrate well. So if you're a student, you will be able to grasp better in the morning. If you want to develop, if anyone wants to develop some new skill, you want to develop a knowledge, you want to make your body and mind fit by doing some activities, or if you want to do some spiritual activities, this timing between 4 to 6 is the right time for you to do. So the first tip is that set the alarm at the right time. If you want to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, what time do you set the alarm? 4:15, 4:30, 5. It's not the right time. You need to set the alarm at 9 or 9:30 p.m. at night. So this is a reminder that by 9:30 you have to go to bed. Only if you sleep early at night, you will be able to wake up early in the morning, because your body needs 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep. The second point is that you have to have a fixed sleep schedule and be very consistent in following this. For example, at night you go to bed by 9 p.m. In the morning you wake up at 5. So this should be consistent throughout the week. But usually what happens during the weekdays, when you're going for work, we wake up early in the morning. And during the weekends, we are a bit relaxed and we wake up late. Just imagine you wake up at 5 every day, and Saturday, Sunday you wake up at 10 a.m. So Monday you will find it difficult again to wake up at 5. So the time schedule should be fixed. In some times, what happens, we might be watching a movie, or we must have gone out with our friends, and in that case we might go to bed late. Maybe take for example 11:30 or 12. But the waking up time, if it is 5, it should be 5. The third tip is that you have to avoid doing high stimulating activities like using the smartphone, working on the laptop, listening to very loud music, or doing intense workout just before you go to bed. Remember, 1 hour before you go to bed, you have to put all the electronic gadgets away. One more thing, what happens is that when you're using this electronic gadget before the bedtime, the blue light which is emitted from the screen, it suppresses or prevents the secretion of the sleep hormone which is known as melatonin. See, as it gets darker, our brain starts secreting the sleep hormone, and this gives a signal to our body that it is time to sleep and we get sleep. But if this hormone is not secreted, then we will find it difficult to sleep. So instead of doing these activities, you have to make it a habit to do light stimulating activities, like you can read a book, you can listen to soothing music, do some meditation, or make it a habit to write a gratitude journal just before you go to bed till you get sleep. So if you have to get good sleep and wake up early in the morning, your diet and water also plays a very important role. You have to ensure that you take a very light dinner at night, avoid too much of carbohydrate. Instead, add a lot of fruits and vegetables. You can take some porridge, or you can take a cup of milk, right? Having a light dinner is a must, because if you take heavy dinner, what happens? Your intestine will find it difficult to digest the food, and it will take a long time to digest the food, and when digestion is going on, you will not get deep sleep. So if you don't get deep sleep, that means your body will require more hours of sleep, and in the morning you will feel very lethargic. You will not be able to wake up. Also avoid eating spicy and oily food, but that will lead to problem in your stomach, and that will hinder your sleep. Regarding water, consume a lot of water during the daytime, but at night you have to limit the consumption of water. If not, you will have to use the washroom a couple of times, and that will also disturb your sleep. The last and the most important point is that you have to have a daily morning routine for yourself, which is very motivating and inspirational. See, if you're a person who has been waking up at 8 o'clock every day, and one particular day you have to catch a flight or a train, automatically when the alarm rings, you jump out of the bed and you wake up, right? Why does this happen, or how does this happen? The previous night itself, you have decided that you have to wake up early in the morning so that you don't miss the flight, and this has been registered in your subconscious mind, and when the alarm rings, you wake up. Similarly, if you don't have a purpose or a goal or some fixed routine of what you're going to do when you wake up early in the morning, no matter what you do, you will not be able to wake up early in the morning. For me, the inspiration is that I wake up at 5 o'clock, then I go to the park with my daughter, I do some meditation for some time, then I do brisk walking, then I come back home and I have to prepare breakfast for my daughters. This has been the motivation, so I'm able to wake up. If you see, most of the people who have been very successful in life, they have been following a daily inspirational routine of 3M. So first M stands for meditation. So make it a point that every day, at least half an hour, you do some form of meditation. See, many people have tried doing meditation and they have given up, and they say it is very difficult. That is because of the misinformation they have about meditation. Meditation is not that difficult. You can do any form of simple meditation. Sitting calmly, closing your eyes and focusing on your breath itself is a form of meditation. Or just drawing, mandala art. Dance can be a form of meditation. Listening to nature sounds or soothing music can be a form of meditation. Or doing some spiritual activities also. Anything which makes you feel relaxed is a form of meditation. The second M starts for M, that is movement. Exercise. At least half an hour exercise. Any form of exercise, yoga, aerobics, running, jogging, swimming, any form of exercise you can do, and you all know how much benefit it has. And the third M stands for mastery. If you want to develop knowledge, if you want to develop a skill, or if you want to write something, if you're a writer, if you want to write some poem that is creative, innovative thinking, then morning 4 to 6 you can say is the best time for it. So many people have been following this and they have been very successful in their life. But you have to be very consistent. So I think you also should decide now that you will go to bed early at night, wake up early in the morning, have a daily fixed routine or schedule for the morning, and practice it consistently to be healthy, fit, as well as to be successful in your life. But in case after following all this also, you're not able to wake up in the morning, and when the alarm rings, you snooze it and you go back to bed, what you have to do is that don't keep the alarm close to your bed. Keep the alarm far away from your bed, maybe in another room also. So when the alarm rings, you will have to get down and go to turn it off. Then don't get back into the bed. Go to the washroom and wash your face. You will start feeling fresh. So these are few things which I have followed, and I am successfully able to wake up early in the morning and be productive throughout the day. So when I can do it, you can also do it. So wish this information was useful to you, and in case it was useful to you, please do give me a thumbs up. Do share my video with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel, The Counseling Corner, and most importantly, hit the bell icon so that you get timely notification whenever I post my new videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.